The illustrated alphabet of birds. The auk. A is an auk of the Arctic Sea, who lives on the ice where the winds blow free. The bluebird. B is a bluebird in early spring. How sweet his songs through the forest ring. The condor. C is a condor on the Andes height. He plumes his wings for a lofty flight. The duck. D is a duck of the canvasback sort. To shoot at a flock is considered fine sport. The bald eagle. E's a bald eagle, so bold and so free. On the flag of our country, he spans land and sea. The fishhawk. F is a fishhawk who lives on the shore. He catches his prey mid the ocean's roar. The goose. G is a goose, his feathers we take, and put them in sacking, our beds to make. The hummingbird. H is a hummingbird sporting mid flowers, and brightly enjoying the sunny hours. The ibis. I is an ibis who wanders in bogs, and lives upon lizards and fishes and frogs. The jay. Jay is a jay with his blue and white coat, with a crest on his head and a ring round his throat. The kingbird. K is a kingbird, pugnacious and bold, a hero in fight and a terrible scold. The lark. L is a lark, a sociable bird. His song in the meadow is frequently heard. The magpie. M is a magpie, he lives at the west. Steals and scolds and eats carrion, he's none of the best. The night heron. N is a night heron, of fishes quite fond. He looks for them now as he stands by the pond. The owl. O is an owl who hides through the day, and comes out at night to seek for his prey. The pigeon. P is a pigeon so rapid in flight that before you can shoot him, he's gone out of sight. The quail. Q is a quail who hides in a tree and whistles "Bob White" with lively glee. The robin. R is the robin, so kind and so good, who covered with leaves the poor babes in the wood. The swallow. S is the swallow, she darts through the air to catch little insects, her favorite fare. The turkey. T is a turkey, a fine dashing beau. By his fuming and strutting, his pride you may know. The upupa. Use the upupa, or hoopoe. His crest he can raise up or lower, as suits him best. The vulture. V is a vulture who feeds on the dead, when the dark battlefield with corpses is spread. The woodpecker. W's a woodpecker who with his long bill bores holes in a tree and of worms eats his fill. The xanthornis. X is xanthornis, or Baltimore bird. Oft in our orchards his music is heard. The yellowbird. Why is a yellowbird with feathers so bright, who sings all the day and sleeps all the night? The letter Z, or roost. Z stands for none of the feathered race. It must serve as a roost or lose the last place.